Hi, Suhasini. Good to have you with us. This is Akshat Kabra, and
Okay. Yeah,
you
hi
interacted
Akshat.
with him.
And
He
a
was
big
in the 300 group also. He was in your
Acha, he
300.
was also there.
Yeah, he was there.
Okay. So hi Akshat, a big congratulations from the entire CL family, in fact CL LST family, and we are really proud of you. And we must have interacted, but there were so many Akshat in that group, so I must have not, forgotten about yourself. So it's okay. So tell me something about like how you are feeling.
I'm
क्या
feeling
मिल रहा है
happy.
नालसार?
Yeah, I'm feeling happy. I'm getting to NASA. My rank is 101.
And like what was your strategy, how you prepared, and like whether there was a routine which you were following, or it was just like randomly kuch pad rahe hain?
No, it was not at all random, because I don't think that random study will get you such a high rank, because CLAT is an exam which requires a lot of practice, lot of dedication also. I think that the main strategy was mine to just get to all the mocks, solve all the mocks that was provided to me by CLLST, and not only to attempt all the mocks, but also analyze each and every question. Like if you get a question correct, then what is the reason? What was your reasoning, and what can be the possible reasoning for the question? And if you get a question wrong, then you need to get
Okay.
why it was wrong and all that. I also got my mocks reset and all. I again reattempted all the mocks, and again there were many online sessions.
Okay, so
So actually, he got his mocks
okay, so
reset
that was
and
so
took
then.
them
So
all
how
over
many
again.
mocks? Yeah, and how many mocks you have written? I mean, apart, like if you include the resetting wala part also, so
If
it
I
was like that you
include
have.
around 50 mocks I have written, because all the 33 mocks that were provided were the new pattern. And again, I reset all the mocks, and from mock 15 to mock 33, again I attempted all of them.
Okay, and
Around
plus you got the 5 flexi mock
5
also.
flexi mocks also. So around 50-55 mocks I attempted.
And in fact, older pattern CLAT mock was also relevant in solving the legal.
Yes,
I mean, the
because in the
legal
legal,
method, the way it changed from the initial sample paper to the last one. So
yes,
previous pattern paper were also very much relevant.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
From
and
mock
what was
from mock 25 onwards, like the legal pattern changed for all the mocks. It was a bit tough, so I had to solve all the new old pattern mocks also to get along with it.
yeah, and from mock 25, if you not mock 25, if I
Mock 20,
say mock
mock
24.
yes,
So
on
if
20.
you have clearly and very religiously solved from mock 24 to 33, it was like a cakewalk in actual exam, because
Yes,
it was entirely based on that pattern.
yes, ma'am.
And okay, and what was your strongest area and the weakest one?
My strongest area, I think, was GK general knowledge, because all the months that were provided, Manthan 2.0 news canvas, all the GK was very good. And my weakest area was, I think it was, I cannot say just my weakest area. It was the marks fluctuated in most of the sections some of the time.
Okay, so how you coped with that area where your marks were fluctuating, or like what was your strategy for that particular area?
Whenever, like in logic, when I used to score above 25, then whatever questions I got wrong, I used to analyze all of that. And when I
Okay.
used to score much low, then I used to just go through all the questions once again. I used to reset the mock, and the mocks are also available in the sectional test also. So I
Okay.
reattempted them, and then I also saw what was wrong and all right.
Okay. And
So that
what was
was
your
helpful.
strategy for GK one? Although it was your strongest area, but and also we were providing you Manthan
Yes.
2.0. But what was your personal strategy? Whether you were referring to newspaper, you were making notes of your own, or it was just sticking to Manthan?
I used to revise all the mantras from the last year, September to this year, and all the mantra
Okay.
2.2 news canvas. I used to learn all of them. I don't think it was required to make notes out of the mantra 2.0, because it was already in very compact form.
No, not from the Manthan, from newspaper. If you were
So I used
reading
to regularly
newspaper,
read
then
newspapers. I used to read two newspapers, the Hindu and the Indian Express. And whatever
okay.
GK that was not there in the mantras or mantra 2.0, I used to make a note of that. So then the last time
Yeah.
I just went through it once.
Yeah,
So if
so if you
anything
were
new is
reading
there.
newspaper and especially Hindu and Express, so your
Exactly.
entire paper
Questions,
was a
yeah,
cakewalk.
yes, because most of the
Yeah,
questions are from
kind of.
editorials only. Yeah. Right.
Exactly.
Most of the questions were from
And yeah, and those who are appearing in 2021, so you know that only 5-6 months are left, and अभी तो 10 दिन चला जाएगा उनका, यही सोच के कॉलेज मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा क्या होगा. अगर नहीं मिलता है, so they have their exam on second, will be in most probably in second week of May. So what advice you would like to give, you know, it to them कि क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, what shall be your strategy, how frequently you should attempt mocks?
I would say that from now onwards only you should just very well go through the newspapers. Like newspapers is the key to success, I think, in CLAT, because almost all the questions will be from editorials only, as from my experience in CLAT 2020. So newspaper is very important, and not just blind reading of newspapers. You need to understand each and everything that is given over there. Any new thing is there, then you need to note down. And for mocks, I suppose in a week, like you should attend mocks regularly. It's not like that you will just accumulate mocks, like 2-3 mocks in one day you will be giving, because it will be of no use. You will not be able to analyze the mocks. So I think that per week, at least 2 mocks you should give as per the schedule.
Okay.
And also at the last time, you should reset all the mocks and attempt it all once again.
Okay, so
Okay, so that is a good advice. That
yeah, resetting the mocks and attempting them again. This is what each and every student has been telling us. That's what is
yeah.
really
So that
helpful.
is, ma'am, that is something which helps a student. So for example, if Akshat has written a mock, अगर उसको उसमें 70 आया, and if he's again attempting it, and now
Exactly.
he's getting 110,
That's what
so that
I'm
means he has
saying.
improved in the same.
Yeah, so that is what we've been telling these kids to do always, so we keep getting them reset for all the children, all the students, and that has really helped them a lot.
Because now it's more about practice.
It's more
you don't have
practice.
to ratify things, you have to practice more and more. The more you'll practice, the more it will be easy for you to get into Bangalore or Nalsar. Yeah.
And
okay,
Akshat, since you had your boards also, along with the preparation for CLAT, one piece of advice for students who are doing both school as well as
for all the students who are going to the boards also, along with they have to prepare for CLAT also, I would just say that during the time of boards, you should if you want to also get good score in boards also, then you should just concentrate for more time on boards, because then you will have around 2 months in hand where you can only prepare for CLAT. And I think 2 months extensive preparation for CLAT is very enough. But that time you should only concentrate on CLAT only. And before that, along with the pre-boards, and you should not just leave out CLAT, you should also prepare for that also.
Okay, so what he means is
and how much
time for
little time for
CLAT preparation during the boards, and then once you come back after the boards, you come in full-fledgedly for only the preparation. Right.
And yeah, and how much time you used to spend in a particular day for CLAT preparation?
On an average 8 hours every day.
Wow.
On an average 8 hours. During the last, like the CLAT was so much time postponed also. Like from the March, my boards got over, and from March to April, I was just studying for almost 8 hours every day. But then the CLAT was postponed, so I just reduced my time hours. But in the last days, I was just studying for almost 8 to 10 hours every day.
Okay, so that was beyond March. If I say that, for example, if a student is writing 12th this year, I mean in March 2021, so how will you advise them? Like if they are starting from now, so what shall be their focus? Like if they shall give more focus to CLAT, or there shall be a balance, or there shall be a routine kind of thing that, okay, I'll spend 2 hours daily on CLAT preparation, and rest of the time I'll focus on my board thing. So
yes, I will also recommend the same. The thing is that they should do a routine based. They should prepare a very good routine. They should divide their time accordingly for every subject, because they have to concentrate on boards, and they have to also at the same time concentrate on every section of CLAT. So they should distribute their time, like you can give 6 hours or 5 hours for boards preparation during the time of boards. And during the time of boards, you can also give around 2 and 2.5 hours for CLAT. Mainly GK is the most important thing that you should keep doing. You should not leave out GK. And then after boards gets over, you can devote all your time for CLAT, each and every section.
And how much time one should spend on reading newspaper?
I used to complete reading newspaper in about 1.5 hours of a single newspaper.
That is an ideal time. Yeah.
That is right, because it's not only blind reading of a newspaper, you need to understand the things that are given. So a comprehensive reading of newspaper will take ideally around 1 hour for each newspaper.
Yeah, so basically a student shall spend around 1 or 1.5 hour, or for example, if somebody is starting recently, or yeah, we say, so they can spend 2 hours, because initial days they'll find difficult to figure out what to study and what not to study. And once you are pro with reading newspaper, identifying topics, then 1 or 1.5 hour is enough.
Then they will be able to
Okay,
complete one.
so yeah, thank you so much, Akshat. Enjoy your time. You have some times in your hand. Have fun at your home, and then whenever you are joining your college, do good and stay in touch with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you would want to say something?
And congratulations once again from all of us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Suhasini.
And whenever you are in Patna, do connect with Whenever you are in Patna, do connect with ma'am. Come and interact with students who are writing 2021.
Suhasini, that is one rule we have over here. All our students have to come back into the classroom and interact with our students. They always do that.
Yeah, you can be an asset for the organization plus for the students as well.
Yeah, because they always come back and share their experience about law school, the preparation, how to go about it. So the kids are also very happy, to interact with the seniors, so to speak. They look forward.
Gives you an edge. अच्छा लगता है अगर आके बच्चों से बात करो, उनको बताओ.
Yeah. So we always have them interact with all the batches, whenever they come to Patna, when they come to meet us. One session with every batch. That is a good thing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. During our times also, like the previous law students of the law college also used to come and interact with us. They told us about the law schools, hostel life and everything, what are moot courts. So we also get a lot of information about what will be our college life when we get into college.
He'll also be eligible for the Aditya Birla scholarship. So to sit for the scholarship, that is the exam.
Okay.
Being in the top 10 in Nalsar, he'll be eligible for the scholarship test for Aditya Birla.
Yes. So for Aditya Birla, they have a different policy.
Yeah, in a different policy. Top 10 students.
Yeah.
Top 10 students of the college are eligible to take the test.
Right. And it's like, the college authority sends the details. So they take students from not only from NLS and Nalsar, but also from NUJS.
From all the colleges, from all the colleges.
Yeah.
Even MBA, IIMs and all that. So one of our students a couple of years ago, who was in Nalsar, he won the scholarship, the Aditya Birla scholarship. And
yeah, so you shall try for it.
Yeah, he'll be trying.
And there are fair chances that you'll get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Suhasini. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.